Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical party chairs, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from party chairs, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best party chairs from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Sweetcrispy 12-Pack Folding Party Chair. Elevate your gatherings with the Sweetcrispy 12-Pack Folding Party Chair. Designed for superior comfort, these chairs feature high-density sponge padding in the backrest and seat, ensuring your guests enjoy a soft and supportive seating experience. Crafted from a robust metal frame with a rust-resistant finish, each chair is built to last. The stylish black leather upholstery is not only elegant, but also water-resistant and easy to clean. Weighing just 9 pounds, these lightweight chairs are incredibly easy to carry and store. Their foldable design allows for quick setup and takedown, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor events, from weddings to banquets. Plus, there's no assembly required, simply unfold and enjoy. With their classic design and convenient functionality, the Sweetcrispy folding party chairs seamlessly blend into any decor, bringing a touch of sophistication to your space. Discover the perfect solution for all your seating needs with this versatile chair pack. Number 2. VINGLI 10-Pack White Plastic Folding Party Chair. Transform your events with the VINGLI 10-Pack White Plastic Folding Party Chair. These stylish and sturdy chairs are designed to accommodate a weight capacity of up to 350 lbs, thanks to their thickened steel frame and metal panel fasteners that enhance stability. Perfect for a wide range of occasions from conferences to outdoor parties, these chairs combine practicality with elegance. Each chair features a sleek white plastic seat and an open back design, ensuring comfort and style. Plus, they're incredibly portable, allowing you to take them anywhere you need seating. With no assembly required, setting up for your event is a breeze. The rubber feet protect your floors and keep the chairs securely in place, minimizing scuffing. When the event is over, these chairs fold easily into an upright position, making storage simple and efficient. Elevate your next gathering with the convenience and durability of VINGLI folding chairs and create a comfortable atmosphere for all your guests. Number 3. Best Choice Products 10-Pack Plastic Folding Party Chairs. Introducing the Best Choice Products 10-Pack Plastic Folding Party Chairs, your go-to solution for versatile and convenient seating. Constructed with a robust alloy steel frame and premium-grade plastic, these chairs can support up to 350 pounds, making them ideal for any gathering. Lightweight and easy to transport, they're perfect for indoor and outdoor events like parties, weddings, or barbecues. Designed for efficiency, these chairs feature a classic folding design that allows for simple storage. After the festivities, just fold them up and tuck them away until your next celebration. Plus, the non-scratch rubber foot caps protect your floors while ensuring stability during use. Cleaning is a breeze, as the smooth surface is wiped down easily with a damp cloth to prevent stains and maintain appearance. With dimensions of 17.5-inch length, 17.5 wide, 31.5 height, these chairs offer both style and functionality. Elevate your next event with the Best Choice Products folding chairs for a comfortable seating experience. Number 4. TRINEAR 10-Pack White Folding Party Chairs. Introducing the TRINEAR 10-Pack White Folding Party Chairs, the perfect solution for all your indoor and outdoor seating needs. This versatile set of chairs is designed for banquets, gatherings, and dining, combining style, durability, and practicality. Each chair features a sturdy frame made of alloy steel, supporting a weight capacity of up to 350 lbs, ensuring long-term use. Crafted from high-density polyethylene, the seats and backs offer excellent support, promoting comfort during extended use. The ergonomic design provides strong lumbar support while relieving spinal pressure. Plus, the anti-skid rubber feet protect your floors and keep the chairs stable, making them ideal for any setting, from workstations to party venues. Lightweight and portable, these chairs require no assembly, simply fold and unfold them in seconds. When the event is over, store them away easily to save space. Elevate your gatherings with TRINEAR's folding chairs, ensuring your guests enjoy comfort and style. Number 5. Oline 6-Pack Folding Party Chair. Introducing the Oline 6-Pack Folding Party Chair, your ultimate solution for versatile and stylish seating at any event. Rated the #1 folding chair, this stackable design combines practicality with elegance, making it perfect for weddings, picnics, office spaces, and parties. With a robust construction, each chair supports up to 350 pounds, ensuring stability and safety for all your guests. Engineered for outdoor use, these chairs feature a smart water drain built into the seat, allowing for easy cleaning and weather readiness. Plus, the lightweight design makes them effortless to carry and transport, facilitating a hassle-free setup for any gathering. When the event is over, simply fold and stack the chairs for convenient storage, keeping your space neat and organized. Measuring 18.03 into 30.9 into 20.45 inches, the Oline folding chairs are designed for comfort and functionality. Elevate your events with the perfect blend of durability and style. Grab your pack today and experience the convenience. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.